Apple's AirPods have been a popular accessory for iPhone users since they were first introduced in 2016. But did you know that there is a hidden feature that allows you to use your AirPods as a makeshift hearing aid? The feature, called Live Listen, essentially turns your iPhone and AirPods into a remote microphone and speaker. It works by picking up sound from your surroundings through your iPhone's microphone and then playing it back to you in your AirPods. To enable Live Listen on your iPhone, you first need to add it to your control center. To do this, go to Settings, Control Center, Customize Control Center, and then tap the green plus sign next to Hearing. Once you have added Live Listen to your control center, simply open the control center and tap the ear icon. Your iPhone will now start picking up sound and playing it back to you through your AirPods. Live Listen can be particularly helpful in noisy environments, such as restaurants or crowded events, where it may be difficult to hear conversations. It can also be a useful tool for people with hearing impairments. However, it's worth noting that Live Listen is not a substitute for a proper hearing aid and is not designed to diagnose or treat hearing loss. If you are experiencing hearing difficulties, it's important to seek advice from a qualified healthcare professional.